All right, welcome to Helpful Hints at Wednesday DLR. So, for number one, we're looking for the connotation that best fits the sentence. So, connotation is our feeling, positive or negative. So, first, you need to decide if your sentence is positive or negative, and then you choose which word best fits. So, it is important to have confidence or arrogance when interviewing for a job. Well, when you're interviewing for a job, that could be a positive experience. So, you're looking for a positive word, confident or arrogance. Number two, you're talking about figurative language. We actually took notes on these, so you should now know these. The fall leaves were whispering in the wind. Is that a simile comparing two things using like or as? A metaphor comparing two things saying one is another? Personification giving a human quality a non human characteristic? Or irony, which is something you wouldn't expect to happen? Or hyperbole, extreme exaggeration? Then you need to tell me what the meaning is. So you need to tell me what type of figurative language it is, and then what does that sentence mean? If the fall leaves are whispering in the wind, what does that mean? Does that mean they're actually talking out there, or what? Number three, you're trying to find a positive and negative word that has the same definition for to be a slight build. So think about it. We're not talking about buildings, we're talking about a body. So if you are a slight build, you are what is a positive word or a negative word for that? All right, so dia, you're coming up with a word that has dia in the beginning of the word as your prefix, dia, and it is a straight line from one corner to another. So that makes what type of line? Die what? And then a synonym for absurd. You're looking for a word that means the same as absurd, which absurd means something that's completely unreasonable. So choose your best answer. All right, good luck.